Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section, advanced, reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data, factory reset, then tap erase all data, then tap it one more time, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.